We finally made it here. It was close by, in the direction of the Intelligence Division.
Keep heading toward Lady Tsunade. I'll back up the Intelligence Division.
Okay. Be careful.
I will.
Lady Tsunade!
Shizune, are you alone? What happened to Kakashi?
I'll explain everything, including what I learned from my inquest.
I see. A communication device.
Yes, I think they're using this black rod to communicate with Pain, so they can exchange information while they are away from each other.
I can't believe it.
But that's all we've got so far. We haven't figured out why they're so strong.
Then we need to check it against the information we got from the captured Rain Ninja. Shizune, head for the Intelligence Division now, and figure out just who or what Pain is.
Understood.
I'll tell Sakura to help you get to the Intelligence Division as quickly as possible. Go now!
The Intelligence Division must be a little way ahead.
Sakura, can you hear me?
Lady Tsunade! Yes, I can hear you.
I'm going to send Shizune to the Intelligence Division now. Eliminate any enemies who try to keep her from getting there.
I should clear obstacles out of Shizune's way, right? Understood. Okay. Until Naruto gets back, I'm the one who has to protect our people. I tested the power that Lady Tsunade has entrusted to me.
Mission start.
Sakura, protect Shizune so she can reach the Intelligence Division.
Got it! After what you've done, I think you'll get off without a scratch! Come on, Akatsuki! Fight me! I won't abandon my comrades! I'll rescue them all! You can't just do as you please! Lady Tsunade, some of our comrades are wounded. I'm going to rescue them.
Okay, but you've also got to eliminate our enemies, and quickly. Bring the wounded to the Hokage's mansion. I'll take care of them.
Understood.
It's an emergency! They've summoned animals!
That can't be! I thought Lord Jiraiya had defeated the summoning users.
But they've appeared! Confirm what's happening and report back to me!
Come on, Akatsuki! Fight me! I'm here to rescue you. Can you move?
Yeah.
You can get treatment at the Hokage's mansion. I'll escort you. Let's go!
Thank you.
We can't lose. Even this much damage won't make the leaf surrender. Messed up our village. I can't just stand by. Come on, Akatsuki! Fight me! Lady Tsunade, it's Pain! I encountered a female Pain!
A woman? Is she the summoning user?
I'm not sure. I'll try to find out.
Okay. But be careful.
She defeated Lord Jiraiya. He must be strong.
Where's the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
There's no way I would tell you! After what you've done, don't think you'll get off without a scratch!
Before such enormous power, the weak scatter like leaves in a strong wind.
They're really something. I knew it.
After what you've done, don't think you'll get off without a scratch!
No matter how tough the leaf may be, they can't defeat me.
After what you've done, don't think you'll get off without a scratch! The summoning animal's gone. That female Pain was the summoning jutsu user.
Good job, Sakura. The tide of battle will turn. Keep focused on your mission.
Yes! You can't just do as you please!
Here's fine. I appreciate it.
Let me take care of him. Return to your mission at once.
Understood.
Lady Tsunade! The intelligence division is facing a new enemy! We need backup! She looks like an angel! And...
Hey, what's going on? Answer me! An angel? What is he talking about? Sakura, a new unidentified enemy has appeared. She looks like an angel. We don't know the details, but be careful.
Understood. Stop our village. I can't just stand by. What you've done. Don't think you'll get off without a scratch. Messed up our village. I can't just stand by. I won't abandon my comrades. I'll rescue them all. Messed up our village. I can't just stand by. We can't lose. Even this much damage won't make the leaf surrender. What you've done. Don't think you'll get off without a scratch. I won't abandon my comrades. I'll rescue them all. You can't just do as you please. Stop our village. I can't just stand by. I won't abandon my comrades. I'll rescue them all. Messed up our village. I can't just stand by. After what you've done, don't think you'll get off without a scratch. Messed up our village. I can't just stand by.
They're really something. I knew it.
We can't lose. Even this much damage won't make the leaf surrender. Come on, Akatsuki, fight me! An Akatsuki robe. Is she the angel?
I am a messenger of the divine. I won't let you stand in pain's way.
Here it comes!
Where's the nine-tailed Jinchuriki?
Leaf Ninja don't sell out their comrades, ever!
Good. Then I'll have to force you to tell.
Katsuki, I will defeat them!
The leaf is over. It will end in divine pain.
She uses a strange jutsu. She's tough to handle.
Know how powerless you are.
I won't give in!
Scatter and fall! I won't let you stand in pain's way. Scatter and fall!
Come on, Akatsuki! Fight me! After what you've done, I don't think you'll get off without a scratch! You can't just do as you please!
Be gone!
We can't lose. Even this much damage won't make the leaf surrender.
Scatter and fall!
I won't abandon my comrades. I'll rescue them all. You can't just do as you please!
Sakura, eliminate all the enemies around the Intelligence Division.
Messed up our village. I can't just stand by. Come on, Akatsuki! Fight me! Messed up our village. I can't just stand by. You can't just do as you please! Messed up our village. I can't just stand by! You can't just do as you please! Stop our village. I can't just stand by. You can't just do as you please. Come on, Akatsuki! Fight me! You can't just do as you please!
They're really something. I knew it.
We can't lose. Even this much damage won't make the leaf surrender.
Mission complete.
gotta do it.
Sakura!
Shizune, I'm glad you got here safely.
Yes, it's all thanks to your efforts in eliminating the enemies.
Good.
Now it's my turn. Leave the rest to me.
I will. Thanks. Lady Tsunade, Shizune has arrived safely at the Intelligence Division.
Thanks to you.
I'll start treating the injured.
Good idea. Okay, I have to get started. Summoning Jutsu! Go attend to all the Leaf people, both ninja and non. Take my chakra and heal the injured.
Very well.
I will protect this village. I swear upon my title of Hokage.
Yes, I can see. Let me read your memories. Is this a body?
Inuichi!
Shizune, what's wrong?
There's something I need to tell you about pain. So they're receiving chakra by using this black rod.
I see. If they have the same eye as the Sage of the Six Paths, it is little wonder that they can use any kind of jutsu.
Here you are.
How did they know we were here?
You have too much information on us. You must die.
She is...
What's wrong? Inuichi!
It's her. She is the one who was in the prisoner's memories. But what does this mean? She was dead in his memories.
What? What's going on? The pain in front of us was already dead? Master Inuichi, give me more details. I might be able to figure this out.
Not here.
Inuichi! Shizune!
You guys!
Leave this to me and the Black Ops. Get to safety. Learning the truth about pain is your top priority now. So please!
Got it. We'll leave this to you.
Let's go. It's time to uncover the true identity of pain.
Good. All we need to do is stop her.
Good luck with that.